Jamaican track star Elaine Thompson-Herah named Female Athlete for the Year. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Now, once again, our Male Athlete of the Year, Karsten Warholm.
And the winner of the Female Athlete of the Year is Elaine Thompson-Herah.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
I'm so pleased.
I am.
Many congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Now, we saw some extraordinary footage, some really funny footage of your grandmother while you were running in the 100 meters. Were you as excited as she was at the end of the race?
I think more. More excited.
And we love history here, and you created history in Tokyo, the double-double. I guess there's no chance that you're going to be remotely thinking about hanging your spikes up for some time.
No, I think I have more. So I'm just using every year to just take it year by year, I went very close to the world record, so, anything is possible. So no spikes hanging up no time soon.
And you told me you will do the hurdles, right? The 400 hurdles?
And then the 800.
Yeah. Oh, the 800, okay.
I might challenge myself.
That's great.
And Oregon?
Most definitely.
Excited?
I am. It's close to home, I hope friends and family could come out and watch. I hope I get some crowd as well. It was not in Tokyo, but hopefully in Eugene, I can get my friends and families to come and cheer me on.
I think you'll get a lot of crowd in Eugene.
I know.
Well done.
Thank
Congratulations.
you so much. Thank you.
Well, there you have it. That was Elaine Thompson-Herah collecting her World Athletics Championship for the year. And I can tell you, this is a well-deserved and a milestone accomplishment for this individual. And as you know, she has been dominated the track and field event so far for this year, wrecking the Tokyo Olympics. And I can tell you, she's one of those Jamaican athletes that is a force to be reckoned with. So Jamaica is very proud based on this milestone accomplishment by this Jamaican track star, and she continued to wave the flag of Jamaica very high for the world to see. And it's a very good look for herself and her track and field career. In such short space of time, she has become a household name, not only in Jamaica, but to the wider part of the world. And she has cemented herself of one of Jamaica's greatest athletes to date, just like Usain Bolt. This is a female that we are about to look forward to and seeing her doing so much great things, not only for her country, but for the world to see. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to congratulate her and wish her all the best in her endeavors as she continues to wave the flag of Jamaica high for the world to see, both in track and field and also in any other ventures that she might partake in. It's a good look for Jamaica, and it's a good look for the world to see such great talent, such a wonderful female, and congratulations goes out to her once more. This is where we're gonna leave this report once more. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and congratulations once more goes out to Elaine Thompson-Herah on becoming World Female Athlete for the Year. Peace out and bless.